Hello guys, welcome back to Technoverses.tk, Unordered here, and today we will be making ordered and unordered lists in HTML. So before we start, I'd just like to make a couple of announcements. First, I'm sorry for the delay of videos. It's just that I've been getting a ton of other assignments from school and I don't have really much time because I have to go to other classes and whatnot. So, yeah, I got that all taken care of. So now I have time. So I'll be pushing out more videos more often. So now that we got that out of the way, I wanted to let you guys know that we have been updating our website and we have gotten the HTML and JavaScript pages to actually render the code like we told you guys. We just haven't gotten the Java to work, but we're getting close, so you can expect that by the next couple of weeks. We'll be ready with all of our languages. We also replaced Git with JavaScript, in case you guys didn't know, just because technically it's easier to teach and learn JavaScript and use it than Git, because JavaScript is used on the web with HTML and CSS, since JavaScript basically allows you to put in web apps into your website. So if we just take a look at HTML, it looks very different from what we had before. But I could just type in anything I wanted to. Um, and I could see result and it would work, and we've tested it even by going to google.com. uh we've Dang it, this does not work in Safari, does it? I don't think so, so let me just open this in Chrome. I literally have tried this so many times. It was really fun to actually prank my friends with this. So if I just get the source code from google.com, and yes, Google's homepage does have a lot of code for something that plain. They have 295 lines of code. I'm gonna copy, and then I'm going to go to technoverses.tk, HTML, and if I paste it here and I hit see result, as you can see, Google's entire homepage has come up. The only thing that hasn't come up is their picture / logo, just because that's saved on their server and I don't have access to their server, but I can search up whatever I want. So let's just search up Technoverses, because why not? We'll give it a second to look. Oh, I don't know what happened there. Okay. Let me try redoing that. This time, let me search up Arduino. Okay. Yeah, I have no idea why it keeps taking me to this site, but it used to work before. It used to just give me random links for Arduino and whatnot. So, yes, we have gotten this taken care of. JavaScript is also working because it's practically the same thing, only you input script codes. Java still hasn't seemed to work with the output area, but what we did manage to fix is the going into the header bug. So now you guys won't have to deal with it going through the header and you not being able to copy that code or type it there or whatever. So yeah, now that like both of those announcements are taken care of, I figured out what was actually happening with the website that we were working on last video, and it turns out it was just that Apatana Studio was screwing up, and that's why it wouldn't take me to lego.com if I hit lego on that picture, since I told it to. But now I got it taken care of. I had to reinstall it and I did it, so we're all good to go. But yeah, so now that we have all of that taken care of, let's just open Apatana Studio and open our file. Let's give it a second. And there we are. So, since in today's video we're going to be doing ordered and unordered lists, which are basically bullet points. It's just a fancy way of saying bullet points. I am going to have to figure out what I want to say. So, let's take a look at our website. What could I say about this? I could say Lego. Let's just list different type of building blocks. So, building blocks. Okay, building block companies. Okay, Lego. You know what? Never mind. Let's just go for different colors because that makes everything easier. So what you're gonna want to do is you want to do UL, which tells the code that it's a list, and then you want to skip a few lines, or in this case, I'm just gonna do /UL. So, and then I'm just gonna type it in there. So what you're gonna want to do is then put in LI. Now, what LI means is basically a bullet point, like an actual bullet point, not a numbered list, but it's just a bulleted list. So I could type in red. Nope, not question mark. Orange. Whoops. LI /LI. And I could type in as many as colors as I want, and you'd get the idea. It would basically, if I open this up, you can see that there's a bulleted list with red, orange, and they seem to want to take me to lego.com. Why is that? I see, because I deleted the end of the A tag. Okay, let me just fix that. Okay, so now it shouldn't want to take me to lego.com. Yeah, there we are. So, as you can see, it's just a basic bullet point. It's nothing fancy, nothing really hard. It's just 2 letters to get a bullet point. So let's say you want an unordered list. That would basically be OL. Now what OL means is it's just a list, nothing too fancy, no bullet points. So I'm gonna put yellow and green. So since I'm done, the closing tag has already been placed, and now I just hit save, and if I open it or reload it, you can see that it has gotten a bit messed up, but it is still an ordered list. It's going right under each other, and it's under this. So you could do like red, and then, so let's just say red is OL, right? And we could do shade of pink. Okay, because why not? And then if we hit save and open the file, you can see that it's basically like a subtopic. So if you've ever taken MLA format of notes, there would be your main bullet point, and then there would be your detail bullet point. So this basically adds in the detail bullet point. And that's pretty much it. So you guys literally, all you have to do is put in 2 letters, either LI or OL, and you guys get bullet points. So if you like this video, be sure to comment, like, subscribe, head on over to our website at technoverses.tk. Share the video, have fun coding your website. If you have any questions, put it down in the comments, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. But until then, have a great day.